Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw?
Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started!
Nagbubuga. Nagbubuga. Nagbubuga, meaning emitting or spewing. Madami. Ma-da-mi. Madami, meaning a lot or plenty. Kilala. Ki-la-la. Kilala, meaning to know someone or familiar. Kusina. Kusina. Kusina, meaning kitchen. Bumibili. Bumibili. Bumibili, meaning buying. Napakasaya. Napakasaya. Napakasaya, meaning happiest or super fun. Saya. Saya. Saya, meaning dress. Masama. Masama. Masama, meaning bad. Kita-kits. Kita-kits. Kita-kits, meaning see you soon. Maaga. Maaga. Maaga, meaning early. Pandinig. Pandinig. Pandinig, meaning hearing. Kakaiba. Kakaiba. Kakaiba, meaning different. Pakay. Pakay. Pakay, meaning motive. Leeg. Leeg. Leeg, meaning neck. Iha. Iha. Iha, meaning young one, but this one is for girls. Pamilya. Pamilya. Pamilya, meaning family. Ukay-ukay. Ukay-ukay. Ukay-ukay, meaning thrift. Kaso. Kaso. Kaso, meaning case or but. Pintuan. Pintuan. Pintuan, meaning door. Madrama. Madrama. Madrama, meaning dramatic. Dilaw. Dilaw. Dilaw, meaning yellow. Makita. Makita. Makita, meaning to see. Tawagan. Tawagan. Tawagan, meaning to call. Nakaraan. Nakaraan. Nakaraan, meaning the last time. Simula. Simula. Simula, meaning first or in the beginning.
Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!